Today we're going to build a Diya, just like this. We're going to do it with Model Magic clay because it dries easier and it's just easier. The first thing we're going to do is just shape your clay into a little boat. Now that our little boat shape is finished, we're going to make petals. And you can see that I held it up with some Sharpies because it's probably going to fall and it won't dry looking like a boat shape. So you might want to use something to hold it up. So you can see that after I have our little boat shape, I just lined it with petals. And one really good trick to keep the boat shape is to line it with something. I'm using markers because if you don't, you can see that it'll like fall and you don't want that, so it'll dry badly. So I'm just lining it with markers. And now I just have one more petal to do. The way to do it is you roll your little piece of clay into a ball, and then you just pinch one side so it'll be a teardrop, and then you pinch the entire rest of it. So then it's basically just a thick teardrop. And I just like to make mine like pointy at the top. And then you just like graft it on. So this is basically the basic finished Diya. And one thing you can do, which I'm going to do, is to decorate it. You can like add little beads and things. You can also like paint it, draw on it, do whatever. But I'm going to add beads, and we'll come back with my finished product. Here you go, here's a finished Diya. I use beads to decorate the sides and the bottom, but you can really paint it and color it and do anything. And on Diwali, you can put a little candle in the center and light it up. And there you go.